All right, Master fans, welcome to part two. So as I was sanding out some of the rust spots, I decided that I really liked the look of this white color on the chassis. So I decided just to paint the whole thing. And I actually forgot to ventilate my garage at first here. So at first I was really enjoying the paint, but then I decided, well, you know what? I better not breathe in too many fumes. As you can see, this paint's still pretty wet. It's still got to set and dry. I'm actually really happy with the way this turned out. Now, when this completely dries, I may change my mind and be not happy, but you know what? It's an old computer and it doesn't have to be perfect. But you can see where I pounded out that dent. You can still see the dent fairly pronounced, but we're going to call that patina because that's a great excuse to not be perfect. You know what? I don't mind it because it is a reminder of how far I was able to take this versus where it started. I didn't bother masking the inside here, nor cleaning up my workbench because I wasn't really terribly worried about overspray, especially on my cheap little Temu tools that I've been using for a lot of things. But really, actually, overall, quite happy. I'm not going to paint this part because this is hidden by the fascia anyway. And I'm hoping to keep that fascia to its original plastic color to the extent possible. I may have to repaint that too, but I'm really hoping not to, if at all possible. But just wanted to give you a quick update. Stay tuned for part three once this dries. We're going to do some kind of vigorous cleaning on it. It's still got dirt and stuff on the inside, but I was just kind of antsy to get inside here and start painting. So hope you like it, and we'll see you around for part three.